It's just too muddy.
A little squishy down here.
Yeah.
I mean, at least it's not up to like... Wonder if my bike will stay here. What? Perfect. Yeah, this is a little
Just too muddy.
a little squishy down here.
Yeah.
I mean, at least it's not up to like your whoa axle.
Yeah. Might be able to roll up this side and turn up there.
Yeah, above that tree. That'd be a nice line.
I was thinking below the tree,
Oh,
but above the tree would be tougher. Can't go the way you went because that goes, you basically went up where the trail now comes down.
yeah.
So it's too close to the other trail. I don't know, I'm torn between like making sections that are pretty hard.
Just stages. That's what I have at my place, is just stages.
Stages that are pretty hard, but I also want like, a somewhat flowy system that other people can get around too, you know? People that don't ride hard enduro,
Yeah.
you know?
I mean, the existing trail we had here before was pretty good.
Yeah.
For that was concerned. I mean, we're in West Virginia. Like any trail here is going to be tough.
Yeah.
If you're a beginner, go to Ohio.
Yeah.
You need a assistance or?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet?
It's just it's way deeper than I thought it would be.
Yeah, rain's made everything horrible.
Cobwebs everywhere. been going.
Up that side?
Yeah.
There's a few sticks there now.
Yeah. Dude, I'm like all of a sudden hungry.
Could definitely maybe use some break-ins. There was a massive cobweb on your helmet.
Yeah, they're everywhere, dude.
Look at that thing.
Dang.
Animal rights will come after me now.